Hi guys, Alex Shuke here at All Seasons RV. Right behind me is the brand new, most talked about 2026 38LEAH.G. This unit is a little bit over 43 feet long and a little bit over 12,500 pounds. This is an ideal couples coach. Those extended stayers, you even have an 81-gallon freshwater tank. You have a lot of beautiful storage on the outside. You have these big, beautiful windows, because of course, natural light is a huge thing that a lot of customers want to see. But the best parts are inside. Come on. Now that we're on the inside of the coach, you'll see you have two opposing slides in this back corner, which gives you a lot of room for this rear living couples coach. You have this beautiful L-shaped couch, and I know a lot of the other L-shaped couches, they kind of were a little bit of a pain to move the couch, to close the slide. This one's as simple as rolling it over. So simple. Simplicity is key, right? And then you have this nice little ottoman, but it's not just your typical ottoman. You even have a pull-out table in here, so you don't have to worry about bringing another table. And if you just want to eat dinner right at the right in front of the TV, you can. Now, not only do you have this, we have a lot of people that do a lot of working remote. So you even have a little office in here with a pull-out chair, and then you even have a desk drawer underneath. And then look at that fireplace. That fireplace is huge. That is a giant space heater, so that'll help keep your camper cool in the fall months. And then the big, beautiful TV. Tailgating is key, and it's cold outside. Let's stay in. And then you even have a beautiful island in here, and it's that wood block, which is just an eye catcher. You even have the 4 stools, so you still can eat right here, or like I said, if you want to eat at the TV, you can. Now, you'll see the dual fridges. You know, your biggest residential fridge is about 16 cubic feet. They wanted to give you more than that. So they put two 10 cubic foot fridges in here, so you actually have 20 cubic square feet of fridge. A lot more stuff to bring, of course. And then you have your oversized pantry. You even have another pantry right in between your kitchen and your living room. Then you have a little coffee bar right here, and then that island does extend. So if you need more room, you have it. And then of course, central vac. No one wants to, you know, bring an extra vacuum in here. Just take that broom, sweep it over here, boom. Sucks it up into an old bag like vacuums used to be, and let's keep it moving. Now everyone's like, oh, is this your main bath? No, this is a half bath. You got a half bath with a stackable washer and dryer. You even have a folding tray in here, your own personal sink. You even have a rod in there to hang up your clothes. Now, the favorite part is the bedroom. You have a beautiful king bed in here. You even have a projector with your projector screen right here, so you don't have to worry about losing that view when you have a TV. So if you just want the view, you have it. If you want the projector screen, you have it. Then of course, your main bathroom. Your main bathroom is equipped with your full-size shower, porcelain toilets, upgraded sink, and then you even have a vanity mirror. Lights, more lights. And then your walk-in closet. Who wouldn't dream about having this closet? If you're more than just a weekend warrior, you can bring all your shoes, all your clothes, all your kids' clothes, whatever you need. Now there's a ton more features on this big, beautiful camper, but you gotta call me to find that out. And our number here is 330-564-0222. If you need anything else, please visit our website at asrvs.com. And as always, happy camping.